Hi, I'm Dennis, founder of the Salad Table, and thanks for stopping by to check out our small salad table. Whether you're new to gardening or a seasoned green thumb, the Small Salad Table is the solution for you. The compact design incorporates 21 plant spaces, allowing you to grow all your fresh herbs and veggies in a space of less than 1 metre. Everything you need to start growing is included. It's very quick and easy to set up, and it's as simple as this to grow all your fresh food at home. Pop your seed or seeds of choice into the supplied rockwool grow cubes and keep moist with water and nutrient. When they are ready to go, place your seedling into a basket and then straight into your small salad table. Periodically top up with water and nutrient, and in a few short weeks you'll be harvesting the freshest produce possible for roughly 50 cents a bunch. So stop paying overinflated prices for soggy lettuce and chemically drenched herbs and grow your own. In fact, you will recoup the entire cost of purchasing the small salad table in only a matter of months. You'll even save up to 90% water compared to a soil garden. The small salad table has a huge 40-litre reservoir, meaning more time between refills and less time maintaining your garden. The small efficient pump uses very little power and has a whopping 10-metre lead. The channels are made from quality UV stabilised food grade material, so you can rest assured knowing your salad table is safe and will last for many years. There's no weeds, less pest, no nasty chemicals, and the salad table is the cleanest, easiest, less time consuming garden you will ever have. We deliver all over Australia, so grab your small salad table now. If you need any further info, click the support link above to check out all things salad table.